Welcome back. Today we are tackling a very popular coding interview problem called Remove K Digits. This problem tests your ability to use greedy algorithms and data structures effectively. Here is the problem. You are given a non-negative integer represented as a string, and a number k. Your goal is to remove exactly k digits from the number so that the new number is the smallest possible. For example, if we have 1432219 and k is 3, the answer is 1219. A common mistake beginners make is thinking, I should just remove the largest digits from the number. However, this is wrong. In our example, the largest digit is 9. If we remove 9, we get 143221. But if we remove the peak 4, we get a much smaller number starting with 13. The position of the digit matters more than its value. So, what is the correct strategy? We want smaller digits to appear as early as possible on the left side of the number. If we have a digit that is larger than the digit immediately following it, removing that larger digit allows the smaller one to shift to the left, decreasing the overall value significantly. To implement this efficiently, we use a stack. We iterate through the digits one by one. Before we add a new digit to our stack, we check if the current digit is smaller than the digit at the top of the stack. If it is, and we still have k removals left, we pop the top of the stack. This ensures we keep an increasing sequence of digits. Let's trace this with our example. We push 1, then comes 4. 4 is greater than 1, so we push it. Next comes 3. Here is the key moment. 3 is smaller than 4. Since we want a smaller number, we pop 4 from the stack and use one of our k removals. We continue. The stack has 1 and 3, next is 2. Again, 2 is smaller than the stack top, which is 3. We pop 3. Now k is 1, we push 2, the stack is now 1, 2. We have successfully removed the peaks that were making our number large. We process the rest of the digits. If we encounter another drop, we remove. In the end, the digits remaining in our stack form the smallest possible number. For our example, the stack ends up containing 1, 2, 1, 9, which matches our expected output. There are two important edge cases. First, leading zeros. If our result is 200, we must format it as 200. Second, if the digits are already in ascending order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the loop finishes without removing anything. In this case, we simply remove the remaining k digits from the end. This solution is very efficient. The time complexity is O of n because each digit is pushed and popped from the stack at most once. The space complexity is also O of n to store the stack. Here is the complete logic in code. We initialize a stack. We loop through the string. The while loop handles the greedy removal, popping while the top is greater than the current digit. Finally, we handle the remaining k and strip any leading zeros before returning. To summarize, think greedily. You want smaller digits on the left. Use a stack to track your digits and remove peaks. Watch out for edge cases like leading zeros. This guarantees an optimal O of n solution. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.